Internal Revenue Service IRS tax news. IRS will soon conceal sensitive data on business tax transcripts. IRS Tax Tip 2020-164, December 2nd, 2020. Business tax transcripts will soon look a little different. Beginning December 13th, the IRS will conceal some information on business tax transcripts to better protect people from possible identity theft. A transcript is basically a summary of a tax return. Tax pros use transcripts to prepare prior year tax returns or represent client before the IRS. Lenders and others use tax transcripts to verify income. So there might be a situation where you need the information that has been provided to the IRS. You may request that information from the IRS. For example, if you need to put together prior year tax returns, you don't have the information necessary, and or you want to double check it to the information that the IRS has, then you might want the transcripts in order to do that. Obviously, tax professionals may be in that situation if they're required to do tax returns for prior year information, and they could pull those transcripts in order to assist them in that process. So here's what taxpayers will be able to see on the new business tax transcripts. Last four digits of employer identification numbers, social security numbers, individual tax identification numbers, account numbers, phone numbers. So they're going to limit these crucial numbers to the last four digits so that, because they're trying to protect against, of course, identity theft with regards to the transcript. So hopefully it has the valuable information with the amount, the numbers with regards to the payments and whatnot, but not the identification number. So first four letters of the first and last name for anyone listed, including on the business name line. Only the first three letters will be visible if the name is only 4 letters long. First 6 characters of the street address, this includes spaces, all dollar amounts, the customer file number when it's entered on line 5 of Form 4506T, request for transcript of tax return, and Form 4506T-EZ, short form request for individual tax return transcripts. There's a link to those items here. More information about the masking of transcripts will be available on the e-services page of irs.gov after December 13th. You could subscribe to the IRS tips for more information and more tips such as these. There'll be a link to the e-services page here. There'll be a link to this in the description.